Welcome to Gjirokaster. A lovely fortress here up the hill. A beautiful place on earth. Welcome to the top of Gjirokaster. We made it to a hotel called Kerkula resort overlooking Gjirokaster. You can see the castle from up here and you have a very special view to the city. So guys, this is our room here in Gjirokaster for one night. Beautiful bed. We got a little balcony terrace with an insane view to Gjirokaster Castle. It's probably one of the best views. This is the bathroom. Shower. Looks clean, sterilized. Also a big mirror. On our way down to the city center of Gjirokaster, the Kerkula resort where we're staying. You have a very beautiful view from up there, but you also have to go and walk a long way down. A lot of souvenir shops and bars, cafes and stuff, restaurants around. Over there is the castle, which is open till 4. Beautiful castle of Gjirokaster. The entrance was 400 lek per person, and there are just a few stairs to come up here, so pretty easy. A very lovely fortress here up the hill, 336 meters high. This is where we stand, can't see it really, but up there is Kerkula resort. And if you want to go to the museum, you have to pay extra. Pretty impressive up here. Reminds me a little bit of the Berat castle, which is not far, like 170k from Gjirokaster. When you're in Gjirokaster, guys, don't hesitate, come here. Gjirokaster is very famous for the old town, and the old town is declared to UNESCO World Heritage Site, which I really understand why, because it's very beautiful. There are plenty of restaurants, bars, cafes around, souvenir shops, everything you're looking for, and it's a very beautiful city here in the southern Albania. Made it to a restaurant which is called Mapo.
Yeah.
And you ordered some?
It's stuffed eggplant and French fries.
What a combination. It looks pretty good. And I got the mixed traditional plate. That was a lovely afternoon here in Gjirokaster. We are going back to our hotel now. Beautiful place with his own charm. You could easily spend 2 days here, so there's much more to see, I guess, than we just explored today. And tomorrow we are driving to the Blue Eye. Definitely a must do. What a perfect start in the day. The sun is out. It's very peaceful up here. We're gonna get some breakfast. This hotel is a very good one. And there's also this pool, which is in construction work right now. But in summer, I think it's a very lovely place. You could easily spend a few more days here, just relaxing at the pool, having some drinks, enjoying the view. Yeah, a very special place here in Albania. So this is what you get for breakfast: fresh orange juice and this beautiful plate. We got a very good view to Gjirokaster. So welcome to the Blue Eye, or in Albanian Gjirokaster, something like this. Over there you have to pay entrance. We paid like 100 lek, so 80 cents, quite okay. Over there is a big parking area where you can also stay with your camper. The weather is very beautiful today, and yeah, the hike or the walk should be about 20 minutes. Just had a cappuccino here at this beautiful place. Here's a restaurant where you can chill, enjoy this oasis and have a drink. I have never seen crystal blue water like this. I mean, look at this water. Now I know why so many people come in here. I saw some videos where people jumped in and had a swim, but there are everywhere a lot of signs where it stands no swimming allowed. But if it's allowed, I think it's very lovely to take a swim up there. And I've heard it's always like the same average temperature of 13 degrees, so summer or winter it's always the same.